Okay, well, welcome back, guys. On the introduction, I mentioned a lot of things. I gave a lot of warnings, and I told you certain things you need to do and avoid on social media. Now, let's go straight into advertising on Facebook, the basics actually. Now, I'm going to use my social media page to do the recording so that I will be as sincere as I can. Now, I have seen a lot of people who come on social media, come to their personal pages and do things like, I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. They will post a picture and say buy. Or they will say this is a new product. To order it, call, they will put a number. Or some people will say, hey, we have just launched our new class module. To get your words registered, call, they put a phone number, or email, they put an email address. Listen, I just use this as an example, and then they will post with a picture. Listen, the best thing you can get when you do stuff like this is a like. Someone will just come to your page and like it. Or the other type of comment you will get is more grace, bro, more grace, auntie. Nobody's going to take you serious. Do you understand? Nobody will take you serious when you come on social media and just put and say bye. Nobody. The only thing you will do that people will take seriously is that you advertise that product. Advertise the product. Now, some of the things some of us do not know is that the products we sell, as far as it's a product, as far as it's something used by human beings, people will buy it, people will order it, but they will not order it when you come to your personal page and just post it. So what do? Please, if you have a product you want to sell, or you have a program you want to run, always create a Facebook page for it. Yes, business page, fan page, whatever name you want to call it. Always create a Facebook page for it. This is my personal life. This one handles my personal life. Everything that has to do with my life, redemption, salvation. If you want to read about it, about me here, you will get it from my personal page. But if you want to get up anything about my business, you can't get it on my personal. The least you can get is, I want to do a training on so and so for free. Go to this place. I can't give you detail here. Do you understand? So this handles my personal life. In case if people are searching for me, this is what they will see. But then, if I want to now run a business, I create a page. I can create a page. Look at what it says. Create page, connect and share with customers or fans. You don't connect and share with customers on your personal page. I hope that makes sense. So correct that impression. I see a lot of it. All of you here listening to almost virtually all of you are my friends on Facebook. I have seen a lot of you make that mistake, and I smile each time I see it. I just laugh. Because you see, along the streets of Asaba and Nigeria as a whole, you see a lot of young people carrying tablet up and down, calling themselves social media influencers, social media, whatever it is. I just laugh. Bloggers, I just laugh. You are a blogger. You have not undergone a training. You call yourself a blogger. You say, how many of us know that inside this Facebook there is what we call e-commerce shop? You can set up your e-commerce shop inside Facebook without having a website. Directly here. You're just hearing there for the first time. How many of us know that on this Facebook too, there is something like what Google or YouTube does, that people can watch your videos and you earn money from Facebook? You probably are hearing that for the first time, but you won't know until you are taught. So this training is meant to open your eyes to certain things that you need to know about Facebook advertisement. So let's go straight into it. Now, this is my personal page, right? And I want to, for example, create a Facebook page about a new product. The new product is going to be this training, Ideas Hub. Okay, so I will click on create and click on page. So from here I can create a page, I can advertise, and I can do grouping, and I can create event. So number one, page, connect and share with customers or fans. Okay, if this one applies to you, use it. Number 2, advertise your business, brand, or organization. We'll come to this. Number 3, find people with shared interest. That's what group is all about. That's the difference between a page and a group. A page handles customers and fans. A group handles people with shared interests. And then finally, you have event. Bring people together with a public or private event. That means if I have a worship program I want to do, instead of creating a page for it or creating a group for it, I just create an event. And please, all these things I'm showing you, you cannot do using a mobile phone. It's not possible. Even if it is, you can't see all the features. You need a desktop or a laptop or a tab. Okay, so now I'm concerned with this. So I click on page. I want to create a page now, and the page I'm going to create has to do with number 1, business or brand. Showcase your products and services, spotlight your brand, and reach more customers on Facebook. Community or public figure. Connect and share with people in your community, organization, team, group, or club. So which one do you think, based on what we are doing now, that is supposed to be? Which page is it going to be? Is it a business or brand? Showcase your products and services, spotlight your brand, and reach more customers on Facebook. Community or public figure. Connect and share with people in your community, organization, team, group, or club. So I'm going to use this to get started. What do we call it? We'll call it Ideas Hub. What category is it? It's actually for training. Okay, I can just type training, and they will say, is it a computer training school, medical school, cooking school, blah 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 blah, business service, business and economic website, business consultant, business center, business supply service, not a business, entrepreneur, tax, blah blah blah. So we're using entrepreneur because that is what we're all about. So you click on continue. Okay, now when you click on continue, it takes you to the next place where you will feed in detailed information about what you want the page to look like. Okay, so I think my network is a bit slow, just bear with me, guys. Okay, here we are now. This place is very important, very important. Now the first thing is going to ask you is to say add a profile picture. Help people find your page by adding what? A photo. Now I don't have a photo, but there's a website I can get it so easily. Just go to canva.com, click there. I can get a logo there, and I can get my logo will be here, and then my art will be here, channel art will be here. So I'll get 2 of them from one source. Okay, so let's go. But then if you already have your photo or your logo for your business page, you can go ahead and click on upload and select it from wherever it is found, or wherever it is kept, or wherever you kept it. Okay, all right, so that's what you have to know. Now this is Canva. I'm going to, for those who are talking about graphics design, I'm going to show you certain things here. Okay, Canva, I can quickly use it to easily do easy stuff, logo. So just click on logo. I came down here and then I click on logo. I just want a very simple logo, I don't want a complicated thing for the sake of this training. Okay, so because of time, knowing fully well that you have to watch this video, I don't want the video to be more than 50 minutes each. Okay, so I'll be breaking them in between. Now here you will see samples of logos that you can choose from. So I can just scroll down, choose any one I want. Okay, anyone can do, or by myself I can create one. Okay, I think I like this. Very simple, does not represent anything. Okay, so I will just say double click on it. Ideas Hub. I'll just say here the entrepreneurs hub. Okay, that's it. That's all I want, nothing more. I want to tick in it already, bolding it rather, and then the next thing, download. Okay, so I'll download it. Okay, and then once downloaded, I will just go ahead and upload. So let it download. I go back to my Facebook page and then click on upload a picture. Go to my download page, find it there, and then upload it straight down. Okay, download, go down and look for it. That's it. Select. Okay, so I'm uploading my profile. Now the next is my cover photo. I'll still go back to Canva to go and look for cover photo, Facebook cover. Okay, you will see, just scroll down, Facebook ad, okay, Facebook post, Facebook cover. So click on that. The reason why I use this is because it has the exact size. Everything is ready. I don't have to start stressing myself over whatever, trying to create something new. Okay, I just choose a sample and then I'm good to go. Now there are some that are free, there are some that are not free, so you must check to make sure. If you can see, like this one now, say remove watermark. As long as I'm going to use this picture, I won't be able to download it. If I click on download, it will ask that I pay. Can you see that? Pay and download. And so because it's free, because it's their picture, so I don't want. There are some that are free, I can use them and then upload my own personal picture or whatever I want to use. Okay, but because of this training, I will talk more on Canva. That's why I'm rushing it. Ideas Hub, the entrepreneurs. Okay, centralize it. Yeah, so I'm done. Download. Okay, now it will be downloaded. Go back to my Facebook and then click on upload. Still on download, scroll down to look for that. Look at it here, upload it. Okay, now we're almost done creating the Facebook page that we will advertise at the end. Okay, so it's setting up configuring the settings. So let's just give it a minute and then we will arrive at the page properly so we can be able to do the next thing. Okay, I hope you are getting value here. Okay, just a moment, network a bit slow, so that's why. All right, here we are, and this is our logo, this is our art. So if it's not appearing, so I'll have to repeat it. Choose from photos. It's already on my photo here, so I'm going to choose. Look at it. All right, so I can drag to fit in what I want, and then I can say save. The reason why I'm taking the pain to do this is because if you don't do them, people won't take you seriously, no matter how much you invite them to your page. So assuming this is the page I want to create for the product I want to promote, this is where we are now. Okay, so I will scroll down here. You will see add a button. Read what they have on the black background. Add a button to get people to take an action from your page, such as shop or sign up. So I click on add button. There are a lot of things you can add. I can just say book with us or book with me, contact. If I want you to contact me, I can say contact us, call now, WhatsApp message. If it's a WhatsApp, I can put my WhatsApp link there. Okay, so that means you can put a WhatsApp link, people can just click on it and straight ahead they are taken to your WhatsApp page. I hope you understand that. You can put a phone number where people can call. Okay, immediately they will just call you. So let's try a phone number, or let's try. But what I do is basically, if it is a website, I just do website, learn more. I say next. I can enter a website link here. Okay, but since there is no website here, let's go back and use what everybody should have, which is contact us, either WhatsApp. You click on it and you say next. It will ask for the send WhatsApp message. You click here, it will ask for your WhatsApp number. Put it here. Okay, click on it so you can put it. Okay, so but I'm not going to do that because already it's taking my number from my Facebook page. Okay, so you can see that. So here it will bring me here, search for countries, blah blah blah. I will enter my phone number and all that. But no, that's not what I want. Okay, so I can just put my phone number, say okay, my phone number is what I want to use. When people come in here, they should use my phone number. Now it's about 15 minutes already. I want to stop it here, and in the next video we will continue. Okay, all right, thank you.